Imagine a world where shedding pounds doesn't mean going hungry. Now picture a woman who was once struggling with her weight and is now fit and confident, thanks to a major lifestyle change. Intrigued? Welcome to the world of keto. Today, we're diving into the keto diet. This is a diet rich in healthy fats, moderate in proteins, and low in carbohydrates. When you follow this diet, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it starts burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. The result is rapid weight loss. But the benefits of the keto lifestyle don't stop there. Increased energy levels, improved brain function, and no more pesky sugar cravings are just some of the perks. The keto diet isn't just about losing weight, it's about transforming your lifestyle. And guess what? Even with all these changes, you can still enjoy your favorite foods like cheese, avocados, and eggs. Sounds like a win-win, right? Remember, always consult your healthcare professional before embarking on any new diet. Stay tuned for more health tips. Keto could be the key to unlock a healthier, happier you.